Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer number 97 and 98. So post the video, try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. So 97 tungkol sa PEMDAS, 98 naman simpleng multiplication lang ng decimals. Okay, so 97, what is the value of 36 divided by 6 times quantity 5 minus 3 plus 4? So sundin lang natin yung PEMDAS rule. So yung iba nalilito sa PEMDAS rule kasi nakakalimutan yung parenthesis. Sa PEMDAS hindi literal na sinusunod yung PEMDAS ha. Multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, ito po ay left to right. Same order ang multiplication and division, ganun din ang addition and subtraction. Hindi automatic na una yung multiplication bago division, tapos addition bago yung subtraction. Okay? So unahin natin dito yung may parenthesis. Okay, may parenthesis tayo, no? So unahin natin itong 5 minus 3. Nasa parenthesis. And just copy the rest. 36 divided by 6 and then times, evaluate natin ito. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Kapag isa na lang, pwede nang hindi isulat yung parenthesis. Okay? Since isang number na lang yung 2. And then plus 4. Okay, so wala tayong exponent. So dito na tayo sa multiplication division, left to right tayo. Nauna yung 36 divided by 6 bago itong 6 times 2. Kaya uunahin natin itong 36 divided by 6. That is equal to 6. Just copy times 2 plus 4. And then, dalawang operations na lang, multiplication and addition. Unahin natin ang multiplication. 6 times 2, that is equal to 12, and then plus 4. So therefore, the final answer is 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16, letter A. Number 98, what is the value of 0.6 times 0.75? So i-multiply lang natin na parang whole numbers, 0.75 times 0.6. So isipin natin whole number lang yan. So 6 times 75, i-distribute lang natin itong 6. 6 times 5, that is equal to 30, carry 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3, we have 45. Tapos bilangin natin yung decimal places dito sa mga factors natin. 1, 2, may 2 decimal dito. Dito naman sa baba ay merong 1 decimal. Dapat i-add natin ito. 2 plus 1, we have 3 decimal places dapat dito sa product natin. So bilang tayo ng 3 decimal places simula dito sa dulo, 1, 2, 3. Dito natin ilalagay yung decimal point. So therefore, the answer is, lagyan natin ng 0 sa harapan, 0.450. Wala sa choices kasi kapag 0 yung dulo natin after the decimal point, pwede nang hindi isulat yan. So the correct answer is letter A, 0.45. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya, 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.